Admissions to other courses like MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Allied Health Services, Nursing, all that is on the basis of NEET UG 2021.
Patients only because they have applied to Gcet or applied to Bakurul chances. What will be the options?
See, eligibility is 12th science.
Yeah.
So all those who have passed 12th science with subjects of physics, maths as compulsory, and the third one there are various options. All of them are eligible. Now CET is conducted in addition to 12th because merit list is based on these marks. There is a law saying that admission should be based on Common Entrance Test. Otherwise 12th of Goa Board is different from 12th of CBSE, different from 12th of ICSE. So to have uniformity, there is a law saying that we have to conduct Common Entrance Test. So and this we are conducting for last more than 15 years.
So total how students are recording in CET?
2,935 registered.
In all these three subjects?
Yes, in physics and in chemistry, and maths 2,129. Because physics and chemistry, even those who are interested in going for medical, they take physics and chemistry. Now for pharmacy, physics and chemistry marks are considered.
What is the effect on applying and
number? No.
Number wise, like what was the last year number?
Last year was 2,954 applied or registered. This year it is 2,935. But last year appeared was 2,817 in physics. This year it is 2,829, almost same. The exams are not easy. This CET is comparable to national level exams. It's conducted with the help of IIT members, so it is of some good standard.
Yeah, maybe we have small analysis we have done. What we say happened is that the students have left questions without answering. That may be one of the, because maybe they have not got proper training. Because normally here there is no negative marks. So for example, questions, they unanswered questions, that should not have happened. So my request to teachers that they should guide the students that here there is no negative marks. Maybe in NEET and JEE there is a negative marks. So that means every candidate should attempt every question.
If it is right, you get marks. If it is wrong, you don't lose any mark. But if you don't attempt, you can't get more than 0.
So that has happened. We have just found out of 2,000, around 100 questions are 100 students have left unanswered one of the questions. So that is some small statistic we have verified.